How to stay energized after a sleepless night. Often in life there are situations when, due to certain circumstances, we get a sleepless night. A crying baby, noisy neighbors, a new season of your favorite series, unexpected gatherings with friends, and these are just a few reasons from an endless list. Be that as it may, no one cancelled the morning trip to work, so you should remember how to keep cheerfulness over the next day. Don't delay awakening. Partial sleep and snooze alarm for another 5 minutes will not make you awake. By drifting into drowsiness, you confuse the brain, and it prepares to dive back into deep sleep. As a result, you will only feel more tired and irritated. Be careful with coffee. The second temptation that a person faces after a sleepless night is to immediately drink a liter of strong coffee. So, the drink invigorates. However, if you overdo it with the norm, you will get severe headaches, heart palpitations, or even a panic attack. In order not to harm your health, try drinking 1 cup at 10 to 11 a.m., the second, in the afternoon. Do important things in the morning. The supply of energy will slowly but surely run out. The best time is the first 3 hours after waking up. Try to fit into this gap with important tasks, and devote the rest of the day to routine. Keep your phone in your bag. The phone is a powerful distraction that will draw out the last of your energy. For example, it seems to you that you scrolled through Instagram for only a couple of minutes, but in fact, half an hour has passed. Take your phone out of sight and forget about its existence for a while. Don't miss breakfast. Breakfast sends a powerful signal to the brain that it's time to wake up, as eating is inextricably linked to our internal clock. The better you ride early in the day, the more energy you can save. Force yourself to move a little. A light warm-up will cope with fatigue much better than a sluggish sitting in a chair, tested by thousands of fans of a healthy lifestyle who courageously visit the gym after work. Take a nap, if possible. If it won't cost you work, set aside 10 to 20 minutes for a lunch siesta. Take a nap in the back seat of your car, on the couch, or right at your desk, and you'll be surprised how quickly your cognitive abilities improve. But you need to doze off carefully, no more than 30 minutes, otherwise you will feel even worse than when you were resting.